Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to learn Make.com. When you first open Make.com, the interface can look busy, but you only need a few key areas to get moving. Think of Make.com as a canvas for building scenarios, which are simply automated workflows. We'll focus on the essentials so you can start confidently without getting overwhelmed. Begin on the left-hand menu and click Scenarios. This is your home base for automation. It's where all your workflows live, and where you can create, edit, and run them. At the top of the Scenarios page, click Create Scenario. This opens a blank canvas where your automation will take shape. That simple two-click path, Scenarios, then Create Scenario, is the doorway to everything you'll build. Before we continue, let's quickly tour a few sections you'll see in the platform. AI agents, currently in beta, are pre-built automations that use AI to handle common tasks. They can be helpful later, but they're optional, especially if you're just starting out. Credentials is the place where Make.com securely stores connections to services you'll use in your workflows, such as email providers or AI tools. Webhooks are an advanced feature for receiving data from other apps in real time. Useful down the road, but not required on day one. And the dashboard gives you a snapshot of your account's usage, including credits, data volume, and which scenarios are active, so you can keep an eye on performance. Back on your scenario canvas, you'll start adding modules. A module represents a service or action. Think of something like an email service to watch for new messages, or an AI tool to generate a reply. Each module is a building block, and you can chain them together visually to create a flow that makes sense for your process. In practice, that means you would click Scenarios, click Create Scenario, and then place the modules you need on the canvas to design your automation. If you're new to Make.com, keep it simple. Focus on the Scenarios area first and ignore advanced tools like AI agents and webhooks until you're comfortable. This approach lets you build confidence quickly without extra complexity. To recap, open Make.com, head to Scenarios on the left, and choose Create Scenario at the top. From there, add the modules you want to use and begin shaping your automation. That's all you need to start creating powerful workflows with clarity and control.